In fact, RSS leader Indresh Kumar has issued a clarification on this arrogance remark at the BJP, saying that opposition should not confuse the people of India and that they are free to sing whatever they want to listen in.
विपक्ष आपके बयानों के कई सारे मतलब निकाल रहा है, इस पर आपकी क्या प्रतिक्रिया होगी? कांग्रेस से लेकर अलग अलग जो पार्टियां हैं, इंडिया गठबंधन जो है, वो कई सारे इस बयान के मतलब निकाल रहा है जो आपने कहा है।
ऐसा है कि किसी को मतलब निकालने से कोई मना नहीं कर सकता है, उसकी फुल फ्रीडम है, परंतु तो भी हाइपोथेटिकल सोचना या फिर ख्याली पुलाव बनाना ये उचित नहीं होता है। और इसलिए मैं विपक्ष को प्रार्थना करूंगा कि वह ख्याली पुलाव बनाकर देश के वातावरण को कंफ्यूज करने का काम नहीं करें।
Okay, Shivani is continuing to be live with us. Shivani, we heard Indresh Kumar's initial remark and obviously the clarification. There's a lot of politics also which is happening over these remarks. Take us through exactly what Indresh Kumar had to say, the clarification which has been issued, and has that assuaged the opposition?
Meenakshi, see Indresh Kumar, the senior leader of the RSS, he was giving a lecture in Jaipur in Rajasthan in one of the programs where he had mentioned that the people who had they wanted to contest in the name of Ram, they were stopped at 242. Directly it was directed towards the BJP, and he also said the people who boycotted Ram, and he was indicating towards the Congress, they were stopped at a much lesser figure. And there was a lot of reaction that came in yesterday after his address was publicized, and it was taken up by other leaders for reactions. So he gave a clarification later in the evening yesterday to Times Now exclusively, and he clarified that whatever he said was not intended upon the BJP, but it was for the Congress party, that there should be no arrogance. And he also said that people should not get confused of whatever he said. So this is the kind of clarification that has come from Indresh Kumar after his address became viral about people who did not vote in the name of Ram were limited to 200 seats, and BJP also, he targeted the BJP also. He said that nobody should get arrogant. And this was not only Indresh Kumar. Remember, Meenakshi, a day prior to this, Mohan Bhagwat, the leader of the RSS, he also had pointed towards the BJP, and he had said that we must introspect. The BJP has to introspect, and that is what was being connected to what Indresh also said. So this was the reaction that was coming in from all the opposition parties, especially the Congress party, on what Indresh Kumar had said and what initially looked like it was being said for the BJP. But later in the evening, he gave a clarification.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.